Bogdanović. See how they screen and rescreen. Finds Mitchell in the corner. Mitchell can't connect. Bogdanović there for the put. Comes home, and his wife tells him that you just had incurred a fine.
The foul disparity is 6-2, and 4 of those fouls came against your 2 best players.
With all the players, the coaching staff, Andrew Wiggins took a lot of contact that looked like no whistle. Bogdanović out of the corner. Award winner for the NBA. Last year he was the teammate of the year. Andrew Wiggins. That time Rudy Gobert wins the battle. O'Neal throws it out to Bogdanović in the corner. Back. Covington to tie it up.
They are just handing off Towns on the switch to 2 players. They're just leaving Minnesota's weak side shooter wide open.
Bogdanović.
He hurt his toes, but halfway through the second quarter, he pushed off, and he used the term stuck, as 16 fouls in the first quarter and only 2 so far here.
Bogdanović able to get free for the 3.
So I just think that they've done a lot of, they're going back to doing what they do. They're switching, they're staying 5-on-5, they're playing. Percentage has been positively impacted, but it's all-around numbers. We saw the drive and the kick to Robert Covington, how beautiful that was.
Bogdanović, no. We go under a minute. Target center crowd rises to its feet. Mitchell, Bogdanović out of the corner, and it goes